In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to add a single candidate, upload a resume, or import candidates in bulk using a spreadsheet. To begin, click Add Candidate. The first step brings you to the resume upload screen. You can drag and drop a file or browse your system for the upload. This step is optional. If your candidate doesn't have a resume, just skip the upload instead. Now you'll land on the application details screen. Here you can enter the candidate's basic profile. If you want to send the interview invite immediately, make sure the checkbox is ticked. If you prefer to wait, simply leave it unchecked. The candidate will be saved under your job, but not yet notified. When you're done, you can either click Finish to return to the dashboard or add a new candidate to import another profile right away. If you want to import multiple candidates at once, click the Upload Multiple Candidates option instead. You'll be prompted to upload a spreadsheet file. This system supports up to 100 candidates per upload and requires that the first row include headers. You'll see a checkbox to confirm this before proceeding. Once your file is ready, click Next, and you can start importing your candidates into your job pipeline. After your candidates have been added, they'll be automatically sorted into tabs on the job page. Any candidates who have not been sent the invite yet will appear under Uninvited. From there, you can send the interview email at a later time. TalentBoost gives you total flexibility. Add candidates your way, keep them organized, and control them with every invite you send. Whether you're hiring one person or managing a large pool, you're set up for success.